Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Choose a pen that fits your desired line weight and a material the pen can mark. Once done, open Cricut Design Space and change the intended layer action from cut to draw so the machine writes instead. Make sure to attach the pen in clamp A, not the blade. This matters for accuracy. Then align your material on the mat at the top left corner and load it. Now confirm measurement and preview so the machine knows where to start. Next, you'll prepare the design specifically for writing. Convert text to a single draw layer and attach it to any base shape to lock position. While you work, change stroke style to match your pen, fine for scripts, bold for block lettering, to ensure legible output. Make sure material settings are correct because paper, vinyl, and cardstock react differently to pen pressure. Before committing, run a small test on scrap at a moderate speed. Then adjust pressure and speed. Now run the job and watch initial strokes so you can pause if needed. You want to catch skips early. Once the machine finishes, unload the mat carefully and let the ink dry before removing the material to avoid smears. If lines skipped, increase pressure slightly or swap to a fresh pen. If ink pools, reduce pressure or slow the speed. And if your design shifts, recalibrate the machine and use the alignment grid option in Design Space. Then retry the job on a test piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.